custard is elite. The perfect accompaniment. Accompaniment. Wait. Accompaniment. How do you say it?
Accompaniment.
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 Accompaniment. Accompaniment. This is the best accompaniment. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making the best accompaniment. Okay, I said it wrong again. I've never ever used that word in context before. I've read it, I've never said it out loud. Today we're making the best accompaniment for all of your desserts, for sticky toffee pudding, for crumble, for apple pie. We're making custard. I often feel like people get a bit scared of making custard at home because they've eaten a homemade custard where the eggs have scrambled and it tastes manky. But stick with me and I've got you covered. And often the problem is people just get the temperature too hot. When the eggs hit the hot milk, it scrambles. So what I've got is a nice heavy bottom saucepan here, and we're gonna put 600 mils of whole milk, and I'm gonna be very careful. Don't spill. Oh gosh. I do not know how I didn't spill that. Then I'm gonna put this on a nice gentle heat, so somewhere medium to low. And we're gonna be a little bit fancy today and use some actual vanilla bean seeds, but you could also just use a teaspoon of vanilla essence. These are so good. Oh, can I get it out? Oh! So I'm gonna use the seeds from half a vanilla bean, so we'll just pop half back in there. Then what we wanna do is gently cut it in half and then scrape out the seeds. And I'm just gonna use the other side of the knife to push out those seeds. Oh my gosh, look at them. So beautiful. And those seeds can go straight into your milk. Yum. Now don't throw this bit out because there's still so much flavor in here. What I like to do is put this into my sugar container and then it just adds a lovely vanilla-y touch to my sugar. So I'll pop that back in there to keep it for later. Then we're gonna move on to our eggs. So I've got 4 egg yolks that I'm gonna put into a nice big bowl. Then I've got 50 grams of caster sugar and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Then we're gonna whisk this together until it's light in color and lovely and silky. Right, my eggs are lovely and silky. My milk is very hot, not yet boiling, but nice and hot. Then I'm gonna keep mixing my egg mixture while I really gently, in a nice steady stream, pour the milk down the side. And the reason we do this slowly is so it doesn't shock the eggs and scramble them. We're kind of gently bringing up the temperature. Right, then we're gonna pour this mixture back into the pot. Oh, look at all those seeds. We're keeping them. Then I'm gonna switch to a spatula. We're gonna pop this back onto a nice gentle heat and keep it moving for about 10 minutes until it thickens into a lovely, delicious custard. Now, even though it might seem boring to stand here for about 10 minutes, it's important that you keep this moving so it doesn't burn on the bottom and your eggs don't scramble. You'll notice that all of a sudden your custard goes from really thin and bubbly to really thick and glossy, and we know it's ready when you can cover the back of the spoon and it's really lovely and thick and delicious, and this custard is ready to eat. Now, do you know what will go really well with this custard? Oh, some crumble. Here's what I prepared earlier. Oh yeah, Now time for heaps of custard. I love custard. I'm definitely a custard over crumble as opposed to ice cream gal. Oh yeah. I think that's enough. Yum. That is definitely a good amount of custard. Let's try it. Warm custard is amazing. Warm homemade custard is the best. So worth making, so easy, so delicious. And the vanilla bean. Have a great week. We'll see you next time. Now I've just got a whole family-sized crumble and family-sized portion of custard to eat dinner. Yes! Living my best life!